Hey, how's it going? Ty here, and today we're going to be talking about cryptocurrency. Now, this video is going to act as like a noob's guide to crypto. For any newbie that's seen the news recently, that's seen what's happening with Shiba and Dogecoin, and is thinking, bruh, I want in, I'm getting FOMO, let me get into this. So, like the like button, subscribe to the channel, I post every week. It's the best investment you'll make, unless you invested in Shiba this time last year, then perhaps not. Disclaimer before we get into things, this is not financial advice, I am just a guy on YouTube, so let's get into it. So, what is it? What is cryptocurrency? It's basically an online currency, it's an online form of money. It's as simple as that. Just like how we have euro, dollar, pound, there are different cryptocurrencies. So you have Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course you've got Dogecoin. The big difference between cryptocurrency and money printed by the government, also referred to in the space as fiat money, is the fact that crypto is decentralized, meaning that it's not regulated by a bank or government. You can't just print more crypto, government can't do that. It's not controlled by a government and it's not controlled or regulated by a bank. So you're probably asking yourself, if cryptocurrency isn't regulated by a bank or government, how is it secure? Like, how does it work? And it uses technology called the blockchain. The blockchain is similar to a ledger or balance sheet which lists transactions. The majority of crypto have their own separate blockchain. For example, the Bitcoin blockchain records every time somebody sends and receives Bitcoin. Anyone can verify the transaction. For every transaction they verify, they receive a reward in the form of that cryptocurrency. To verify each transaction, the miner must complete a complex puzzle. They do this by using super powerful computers, which are programmed with the algorithm that solves the puzzle. Multiple miners will be trying to verify the transaction, so it's the one with the supercomputers that get to add the crypto to their vault, otherwise known as their crypto wallet. What this means is that two people who don't know each other can make payments using the blockchain without the involvement of a bank or another third party. This means you can make the transaction with no paperwork and you don't provide sensitive information or personal information. There's zero risk of your personal information, personal financial information, falling into the wrong hands. In conclusion, the blockchain allows the payments from one person to the other to be secure without going through a bank. And that's something that businesses and people find really appealing. So, tips for investing in crypto. Firstly, do your homework. You're watching this video, so that's a good start. You want to understand the blockchain, which hopefully I've helped you with that a little bit. And when you're doing your homework, you want to consider why you're buying crypto in the first place. Is it for long-term gain, or are you looking for a quick return, slightly higher risk? Are you spending large sums of money, or are you spending a small portion of your savings? Are you going to invest consistently, like weekly or monthly or even daily? Or are you investing one large sum and they're just doing the set and forget method? Coinmarketcap.com, I'll make sure the link is in the description, is going to be your best tool. It's going to let you monitor the performance of the cryptocurrencies that you're interested in. This is your place to start, and I'll get more into that in a second. The second tip is to start small. Do not put any money in that you're not willing to lose. Unlike a stock exchange, which opens and closes, crypto trades all day, every day, worldwide, which means it's more volatile than any other investments. The third tip is to invest wisely. Do not YOLO it all in one coin. I know stories like Dogecoin Millionaire are inspiring, but he did do a ton of research and he took a huge gamble still, with a large amount of his savings, and he knew the risks. So just make sure that you're familiar with that too. Instead of trying to find that 10x, 100x, 1000x return in 1 month, try to diversify your portfolio for the long term. Like, I go on about diversification in my other videos all the time, and that's because it's so important. If you're new to this space, if you're new to cryptocurrency, you should consider investing in multiple coins simultaneously to have the best chance of earning high returns. Now, doing this over an extended period, especially if the market continues to perform as it is currently and as it has done recently, is going to increase your chances of success. So with so many altcoins available, with so many cryptocurrencies in the space at the moment, the best strategy is to diverse your investments and allocate your available funds to a number of different crypto. If you're on a tight budget, let's say you want to invest £1,000, pick 10 cryptocurrencies or pick 20 cryptocurrencies and put £50 each, because if you were to do that a year ago and one of them was Shiba, then you've made your return already. Like it's ridiculous. So that's the best strategy that I would recommend if you're new to the space. So how do you get started? You know what cryptocurrency is now, you know how the blockchain works, and you're starting to have a good idea of what strategy you're going to implement. But now you're thinking, what coins do I invest in? How do I go about researching this, and how do I go about finding them? Your first step is to use CoinMarketCap. Again, I'll put the link in the description along with the links to some exchanges. And you use CoinMarketCap and the internet in general to find what coins you like the looks of. Use Discord, use Twitter, use YouTube, and get an idea of which ones to invest in, and then do your own research on CoinMarketCap and look into the coin itself, look at what it offers. Once you've found which coin you want to buy, you'll need to find out which platform allows you to purchase the coin. Personally, I would start off with something like Coinbase, Kraken, or Gemini. Binance is really good, but with the vast content that's on it and the user interface for the pro version, it is a little bit overwhelming if you're new to the crypto space. So if you do get Binance, which again it is really good, I'll put a link in the description, just maybe start off with the LITE version, and then until you get used to it, and then go from there. You'll find that the lesser known coins won't be on the larger platforms, so just make sure that if you are signing up to a platform that that your coin is available on, just make sure you do your own research and due diligence, make sure it's a legit platform, do some quick searches, just do a quick search on YouTube, see who else is using that platform, and just to make sure that it is genuine, because unfortunately in this space there are a lot of scammers and there are a lot of risks. So yeah, just do your research on that. Once you've found a secure and reputable platform that your coin is available on and that you're going to use, simply sign up and fund the account. I'll put referral links for the ones that I have in the comments, so make sure you check that out, as some of them do offer free cryptocurrency once you've funded the account and invested up to a certain amount. So yeah, do check that out. Once you've funded the account, search the crypto that you want to buy, and boom, you are now a crypto investor. Congratulations. There it is that simple. Depending on what you've invested in and what strategy you're implementing, you might want to set and forget just on one platform. You might have to sign up and register to other platforms to invest in the coins that you want. I invested in Shiba on the Binance platform way before Coinbase made it available. So I've got several portfolios, several accounts, and it's not a big deal. It's not like bank accounts where it might affect your credit or anything like that. And you can sign up to as many exchanges as you want. Just like I said before, do your due diligence and make sure that exchange is secure and it is reputable. So there you have it, a nice, easy, simple, relatively quick video on what is crypto, what is the blockchain, and how to get started. Now, if you've got any questions, whether it's about specific cryptocurrency or whether it's just cryptocurrency in general, then do let me know in the comments, because I do answer every single question. I post every week. I am planning on making a little bit more cryptocurrency investment content, so do sign up for that. And I've also got e-commerce, dropshipping, business content, that if that's also what you're into, then yeah, do check that out, and I'll post some links here somewhere to my other investment video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like the like button and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in the next one.